You've done this 100 times today and never once thought about it. You typed a name google.com, hit enter, and a machine you've never met on the other side of the planet answered you in under a second. No address, no phone number. You just typed a name. So how on earth did that word find the right computer out of billions? Let's get into it. First, every device needs an address. Exactly like a house has a street number. So the moment your computer joins a network, it gets its own. An IP address. Something like 192.168.1.42. That's your spot on the network. Every packet headed your way carries that address. Like a label on an envelope. But who gives you that address? Not you. You never picked it. The second you join, your device basically shouts into the network, "Hi, I'm new. Anybody got an address for me?" And the manager of the network answers, "Here, take this one," like a landlord handing a new tenant a key. That landlord is a DHCP server, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and it lives inside basically every router. It's the one thing that hands out an address to every single device on the network. Okay, so data can now reach your machine at that address the router handed it, 192.168.1.42. But your machine's running a bunch of things at once. A browser, Spotify, a game, all sharing that one address. So when a packet arrives, which app gets it? That's the second number, the port. And who hands them out? Your machine's operating system. Every app that wants the network. Your browser, Spotify, your game. Just asks the operating system, and it hands each one its own free port. Same address, but every app gets a different port. From then on, any packet stamped with that address plus port goes straight to the right app. IP is the building, the port is the apartment. And some ports are famous. An HTTP website lives at port 80. The secure version, HTTPS, at 443. That's the secret reason you never type a port for a website. Your browser already knows which one to reach for. Put an address and a port together and you've got the exact endpoint. One app on one machine. That pair has a name, a socket. And this is the rule for the whole internet. For any two network apps to exchange data, a socket has to be established on both computers, your address and port, and theirs, forming one open link. Once it's set up, data packets stream back and forth across it. Every network app works this way. Open a socket between the two machines, then trade packets. Okay, now a twist most people never notice. Your whole home shows just one address to the outside world, and it belongs to your router, public IP address. Inside, your laptop, your phone, your TV. They each get their own private IP address, and they all share that one public one. So how do replies find the right device inside? The router runs a front desk. It's called NAT, Network Address Translation. When your laptop sends a request, the front desk writes it down, who asked and on which port. So when the reply comes back to that one public IP address, it knows exactly which device and which app to hand it to. One address, a whole house of devices, never a mix-up. Okay, but be honest, you've never typed 142.250.whatever to visit a website. You type google.com. Humans want names, machines only understand IP. So something has to translate the name into the IP address. That something is DNS, Domain Name System, the Internet's phonebook. You ask a helper called a resolver, what's the address for google.com? It climbs a little ladder, first the root, then the .com servers, then Google's own, and the address comes rocketing back. Name in, IP out. So watch the whole thing, start to finish. You type google.com. DNS turns the name into an IP address. Your request is stamped with that IP address and a port, broken into packets and routed across the planet to the right machine. The port hands it to the right app. The machine answers, and your router's front desk catches the reply and drops it on your device, at your app. All of that in a blink. And that's the magic. A device that showed up minutes ago with no name, no IP number, is now reachable from anywhere on the planet. Billions of these little conversations at once, everyone finding the exact right machine, the exact right app, and not a single one crossing a wire. So next time your phone hops on the Wi-Fi and just works, you'll know the whole secret handshake behind it. Every device gets an IP address it was handed, every app gets a port, and every name is just a quick lookup away. That's how the internet finds you. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.